Welcome! Today we explore how smart bands and wearable device casings can enjoy a second life long after their original purpose ends. Through creative reuse, responsible handling, and thoughtful design, we can transform what might have become waste into new, valuable resources. Smart bands are replaced rapidly as new models enter the market, often long before the old ones stop working. Millions of these small devices accumulate every year, and because of their compact size, many people throw them away instead of recycling them. Traditional recycling is difficult due to their tightly integrated components, but creative reuse offers another path, one that preserves materials, reduces environmental impacts, and extends the life of wearable tech. Inside every smart band is a collection of powerful electronics, microprocessors, motion sensors, small displays, all of which may remain functional even after the device is retired. The casings, typically made of silicone or TPU, are durable, flexible, and resistant to daily wear. Batteries require careful handling, ideally by licensed recyclers, due to potential fire risks. The complexity of these miniature designs is what makes them difficult to recycle traditionally, but it also opens opportunities for creative reuse. Retired smart bands don't have to be thrown away. They can be repurposed into simple, wearable tools, still useful for everyday tasks like timing activities or basic step counting. Silicone casings can be transformed into protective sleeves for small gadgets, while their grip-friendly texture makes them perfect for wrapping around pens, styluses, or tools. Functional parts such as LEDs and buttons can even fuel small electronics projects, giving old components a practical and extended life. The tiny sensors inside smart bands are valuable for makers and hobbyists. Accelerometers and motion detectors can become part of home automation systems, while displays and microcontrollers make excellent teaching tools for programming and electronics courses. Repurposing these components gives students hands-on learning opportunities and supports IoT experimentation without the cost of new hardware. This kind of reuse fosters innovation at the grassroots level. Disassembled smart bands provide a perfect learning environment for students studying circuitry, embedded systems, and miniaturized design. They can examine wiring layouts, sensor configurations, and display structures firsthand. Instructors can integrate smart band parts into lessons about coding, signal processing, or prototyping. Casings themselves become materials for design and engineering challenges. These activities inspire sustainability-minded thinking in young learners. The visual appeal and flexibility of smart band casings make them excellent materials for artistic projects. They can be cut, shaped, and rearranged into wearable art pieces, mixed media works, or fashion accessories. Circuit boards and LEDs offer a futuristic aesthetic that fits well in sculptures or interactive art installations. Workshops and maker studios can use these parts to teach upcycling techniques, blending sustainability with creativity. Reusing smart bands becomes easier when consumers are aware of the possibilities. Community makerspaces and repair cafes can play an important role by offering tools, training, and shared ideas for repurposing old tech. Manufacturers can help by designing modular products that are easier to disassemble or reuse. Open-source guides and instructional materials further expand participation, empowering beginners and encouraging sustainable habits across communities. Creative reuse extends the life of valuable materials, delaying disposal and reducing the demand for new manufacturing. It also eases the burden on resource-intensive recycling processes, helping cut down carbon emissions. By complementing formal recycling services offered by licensed recyclers, creative reuse enables individuals, schools, and organizations to play a meaningful part in reducing e-waste. It reinforces the idea that sustainability is a shared responsibility. If your organization is working with wearable technology or retiring older smart devices, we're here to help ensure they are reused or recycled responsibly. Our team provides safe, compliant, and environmentally focused solutions for end-of-life electronics. Reach us by phone, email, or through our website. Innovation doesn't end when a device is retired. Reuse creatively, recycle responsibly.